That's true.
So since you've maraming inhibitions, no, Miss Joy, maraming wrong expectations, yung pinag-uusapan nga natin, some are even unrealistic. So how do you build trust?
First, of course, kailangan kami mismo, kaya nga myself and my co-founder are very hands-on, no, at this point. Since we're still starting up pa rin talaga the business. So kaya nakikita nila kami, they see our, what do you call that? They see our serious intent to really help them grow the business. And that is why we actually call them partners. We don't call them clients eh.
Right.
Diba? Kasi as partners, we expect both of us
To
to
do
grow.
something.
Kasi
Yeah.
what I always tell them, no, the partners,
Yeah.
if we don't do this together, in the next couple of months or years, one of us will not be here anymore.
Yes.
Diba? And that is not the intent. So that's why, yun nga, so that's why dun namin binibuild yon.
Yeah, galing, no? So it's very personal and collaborative.
Yes.
I think yun yung
Yeah.
term. Yeah, it's
Kasi
more
for
collaborative.
MSMEs, that's very important eh.
Yes.
Kailangan may alay ako eh, 'di ba? May alay, as not ally, 'di ba? So may alay ako in really growing the business. And that's what we want for us to be to them.
Right. Sobrang ganda din ng purpose talaga. So with that one, Miss Joy, siguro punta na tayo sa exciting part where you start fulfilling and you start getting partners for your brand. Now that na-overcome na natin yung challenges, even if they're there, ano yung milestones that you can say na parang, yes, nakuha ko na yung unang benta ko?
Okay. Milestone. Actually, ang pinakang parang jump for joy moment namin was really the first client or first partner namin. So, ano yun? Parang it was Christmas of 2022.
Oh.
So, as in, everything was, wala pang laman. Kasi nga, they're our first partner eh. So, they came, actually, we were in talks already for maybe around 2 or 3 months already. So, they were undecided yet, no? At that point. So, and then, at the point nung towards Christmas, sabi nila, shucks, 12-12 na. Eh, for any online seller,
It's a big-
11-11 and 12-12 eh.
yeah.
So, parang sabi nila, shucks, napagod ako talaga ng 11-11. Hindi ako makatulog. So, yun nga, kasi they have to keep up eh, with the sales eh, with the packing. So, sabi nila, pwede ba 12-12, habulin natin. So, a few days before 12-12, pasok sila.
Oh my
So, okay,
gosh.
let's go. Parang ano na, start
Game na.
namin. Game na.
Yeah.
So, syempre kami, we were very happy kasi it's the first partner who trusted us.
Yeah.
Who believed
it's
in
different.
us
It's
habang bakante pa yung buong bodega.
Aw.
So, and luckily, they're still with us until now.
Oh, can you name the brand?
Pwede bang malaman?
Wag muna. There are, Playdate Collection. They are actually they sell baby products.
Oh,
no?
wow.
Mga baby toys, sorry.
Oh, wow.
So they actually they're they started out during the pandemic also. And then yun nga, nag-scale up sila to, ngayon, actually they're selling in some of the baby company stores of SM also.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So they have scaled na rin. So we're very happy na they're still with us right now.
Oh, that's so nice. Pero question, meron daw kayong parang 2 brands or 1 brand ba to? Si Genesis? The
Yeah.
Genesis, and the Veggie Basket.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about
Yeah.
them?
So that is, ano siya, yun nga, mga 3 years na rin siya with us.
Oh,
no?
tagal na din.
So when they started with us, kasi they're a big seller of, ang customers nila are resellers of
Okay.
those who actually print on their t-shirts. Their shirts are
Oh.
blanks kasi.
Okay.
Okay? So yung mga nag-print ng
supply.
corporate shirt, yun yung customers nila. But sabi nila, their brand, their product is, kasi, locally made lahat yung products nila.
Oh, nice.
So their products are very good, have very good quality. So why not sell it D2C? So direct to consumer already. And then when they came, that was the challenge, no? So they needed somebody to, nung
Help
una,
them.
they needed somebody to help with fulfillment. That's it. That's
Yeah.
the beginning. And then eventually, they added other services to include end-to-end na siya. So
Oh,
that
wow.
is, so shop
From
management, even yung mga social media. So
Right.
it's really a whole slew of services already. And since then, we have built them for, siguro in mga 2 or 3 years na we were handling them, na sila, 4 to 5x na sila
Oh, wow.
of the sales versus when they began.
Oh, wow. Grabe,
So,
no? Sobrang tagal na rin. So,
Yeah.
sobrang congratulations to
Yes.
them. Have they ever told you, like, thank you so much,
Yeah,
fulfill.
express
Oo.
gratitude.
Ano naman, it's really a two-way street. Again, as I
Yeah.
mentioned, there are partners So,
Right.
kumbaga, bago pa sila mag-thank you, nag-thank you na rin kami sa kanila.
Oh,
'Di ba? Na parang, salamat din sa tiwala.
totoo.
'Di ba? Na, ayun, at least we work together na napalaki natin. 'Di ba?
That's so
yun yung mga
nice.
success stories that we would want to happen for the other businesses also that we service.
And imagine
Oh.
it's been 3 years that you've
Since
been
they
working with
started.
them. no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So,
Grabe, no? Helping talaga MSMEs
Yeah.
would be a core, ano ba,
Yes.
parang core value na meron talaga si fulfill.
yeah. It's
Pero-
really our purpose
Oh,
And
Purpose,
yeah.
naiiwan siya sa core memory din namin.
Aw.
Kasi unlike, of course, working in corporate, you're helping business units, but these
Right.
are all big businesses
Aha.
Diba? Again, as I mentioned, for big businesses, the money in the bank is just a line item in the Excel,
That's true.
right? But for MSMEs, your money in the bank is your real money in the bank.
Oh, that's so
Mhm.
nice. Totoo nga naman.
Oo.
Kasi sa mga bigger
Yes.
bigger companies,
Oo.
it's just a report.
Yes.
It's a matter of reporting
Tama.
how much you've earned.
Yes.
But for small businesses,
Oo.
it matters a lot. Like
Yes.
every peso
super,
counts.
super.
Oo. Super.
Miss Joy, I just couldn't
Yeah.
help but notice, sobrang favorite mo yung word na purpose Even when you introduced yourself earlier, di ba? So why is purpose very important for you and how do you apply purpose to your other businesses?
Okay. Purpose is important kasi parang that's the reason why you wake up every day.
Mhm.
Diba? Parang that's also your vision diba?
Ah.
Kumbaga, purpose is also trying to make an impact in this space, diba? While we're alive,
Yeah.
diba? So how do I apply it in my other businesses? So every business will have its own purpose
Mhm.
and have its own impact. No? So
Yes.
dito, yung nga I mentioned kanina, for fruits, we wanted really to help local farmers and the local
That's so nice.
supply chain.
Aha.
For fulfill, we want to help the local businesses or the MSMEs
Yes.
to be able to scale and flourish in the industry. I have other businesses. I also have Dwell Being.
Oh, wow.
Dwell Being is it's a social enterprise
Aha.
where we actually support communities, provide livelihood to communities. We also give back in terms of a percentage of our sales. We donate to a partner NGO also.
Oh, that's
And we also
nice.
upcycle goods.
Ang
So
galing.
instead of throwing away the basura,
Yeah.
the bottles or the
Yeah.
fabric,
You're
we
repurposing
upcycle
it.
it.
Yeah,
We're
upcycle.
repurposing
Ang
it. So
galing.
that's also a
Sobrang
purpose.
Yes.
No? So
Pero I
it's-
heard pa si Dwell Being, you also employ
yeah. We employ
Hearing
all of our
impaired,
staff are
yeah.
all deaf.
oh wow.
So we really intend to, so that's part of the purpose talaga.
Ang
no?
galing
So,
naman ng
galing,
mga
yeah.
ginagawa ni Miss
Oo,
Joy.
it's really challenging. But yeah, that's your fuel
Yeah,
for
that's
you
true.
to really, for me and my co-founders also, to really push forward. Diba? Like kunyari, for Dwell Being, we want to be able to sell more so we will be able to help more people.
That's
Kasi
true.
as you sell more, your demand to support communities will be higher also.
Yeah.
Mas marami ka ring may employee na deaf staff, mas malaki rin
Oh.
maitutulong mo dun sa
Sa
NGO
community.
partner that we support.
That's so nice.
So yun.
And I think meron ka pa pong isa pang business that you
may isa
haven't
pa. I
shared.
also have Thrive and Trove.
Uh-huh.
It's a woodworking space.
Oh.
So where we teach woodworking for kids.
Oh.
So the purpose naman there is really to teach life skills while they're young.
Mhm.
So using play
Yeah.
as a tool to really teach the kids, no?
Right.
Kasi when they do woodworking and we use real materials, real hammer, real pako,
everything.
real, and then real wood also, of course, so they
That's
can
so
create
nice.
toys and certain projects that they can bring home.
Grabe, no? What Miss Joy has been doing has always been driven with purpose.
That's
Yeah,
true.
oo.
Lahat
Lahat
talaga.
na
Lahat
every
ng sinabi niya.
aspect.
O boss, deserve mo malaman ng buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates. This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.